What's up YouTube? Welcome to another tutorial. I'll be teaching you guys today how to apply for Capital One CC online and get approved. Okay, so for this application process you'll be needing the SSN, the ID card and the shipping address. Okay, take note. Okay, now the Capital One CC is not exactly hard to get. Okay, you just need a valid FULLZ with good credit score. You need a drop address. Okay, that's where you mail the card to. Okay, now some people do not know what FULLZ is. So FULLZ is basically information like name, address, SSN, date of birth. Okay, so below are the steps you need to follow to get your Capital One CC approved and mailed to your preferred address. So first you need to head to capitalone.com, ensure your VPN is connected. Okay, ensure VPN is connected, and then once you're on the website, click on credit cards. So step 2, you click on credit building. Okay, ensure you follow the steps. Okay, click on credit building. So on the next page, click see if I'm pre-approved. You click the see if I'm pre-approved button. So on the next page, click on get started. So on the next page, it reads let's get started. What's most important to you? You want to tick no annual fee and cash back and then click next. Okay, so just tick no annual fee and cash back and click next. So also, what's your legal name? So basically you want to put in your FULLZ information here. Okay, put in your first legal name, your middle name, your last name, and then click next. Ensure you do it as it is exactly on the card. Okay, and then you put in your residential address exactly as it is on the card. Okay, take note, this is not the mailing address. Okay, this is the address that comes with the FULLZ. Okay, your residential address. Okay, it's very important. Okay, then click next. All right, so at this point you put in your working email address. Okay, ensure this email address is yours, you have access and matches the name on the FULLZ, and then you put in a phone number you have full access to. Okay, you can use a prepaid eSIM or you can use Google Voice. Okay, either of them is unreliable. Okay, so you just want to do that and click next. So what's your employment status? You choose employed and then you click next. Then you can choose anything here and just click next, but I just recommend you choose what I chose and click next. So let your annual income be above $100,000. Okay, then you can choose any amount between $1,000 to $2,000 for monthly rent. Okay, so take note and then you click next. Do you have any bank accounts? Choose checking and savings and then you click next. All right, so I agree to both and then click continue. All right, it's wonderful at this point. So you want to choose the Quicksilver reward for good credit. Okay, that's the card you want to choose. You don't choose any other card. Okay, choose that card and then just wait for the next page to load. All right, on this page you want to review your info. Okay, so you're going to see your social security number, your employment status, and the occupation. You can put in an engineer there, contractor, medical doctor. Are you a US citizen? Yes. Do you have citizenship in another country? No. Okay, take note of all this and then click continue. All right, on this page you review your pre-approved information, ensure all the information is correct and then click continue. So Quicksilver for good credit and unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase every day. Okay, so basically just accept and continue, accept the terms, the information, the agreement, everything, continue. All right, so choose English as your preferred language and then click continue. Okay, so submit the application and await response. Now if you followed all the steps correctly, your application will be approved and the card will be mailed to the address you put in. So if you enjoyed the video, kindly click the subscribe button and turn on post notification. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.